How to enable or disable keyboard typing feedback on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we go down and then tap on Keyboards and Typing. In here, tap on Typing Feedback. Now there are different types of feedback. So you have characters feedback, character hints, speak words, speak auto text, and hold to speak predictions. So go down through each one of the items here to turn it on or switch it off, to turn on or turn off the keyboard typing feedback. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.